对啊，运气就好了啊。我在想说，可能要绕一圈，到华盛顿另外那边去停啊。你看很多人在，这有两种，一种是没这么尖的，它这是尖的，对，一种是这种的，一种是比较潜艇形状，没那么深，没那么尖，那么长。对啊，现在才6月底啊，要等到8月以后才，7月就降一点点，8月才会降得很低啊。9月来化水根本就少得要命。对，它是尖的啊，它那样没那么尖。还有一种更不尖的，更圆形的，更那个椭圆形的。目的就是在玩啊。有时候他就刚好可以在那个漩涡里面待很久啊，大家都觉得应该让别人进来玩的时候，他才会出来啊。很多活动啊，难怪。等一下回去再去逛那个园游会。
你的保养关键是什么啊？你明星嘛，真的是要跟时间赛跑。太水润番红花能够帮助入睡，让你轻松做好保养。
很多人在爬哎。
胶原蛋白试吃包，数量有限哦，严重。然后呢，他在那边的时候就赫然看到庄子在那边喝酒唱歌，就是亲近，就是敲乐器，两个人在那边唱歌。好，然后呢，在那边听，结果呢，就非常生气，回来他们怎么可以这样子？
上去挂的人。
这就说呢，不，他们是运化石，也就是他们是在我们这些努力熟悉这些理解。
很多人
很厉害耶，他们脚这样子轻轻的踩在上去，在他的身上。
他们认为生死是自由的事情，所以并不会在葬礼上要去抚养他们的爱神。他们觉得生死放下身体是很自然的事情，他们觉得因为顺应自然，活得自然而开心。所以这些理哲的事情放到现在，就会经常有人问：老人家走了，或者走掉了这个人，后面的丧礼该用他喜欢的形式，还是后面的人的宗教性？经常会有人为这种要用哪一个教的仪式，后面会吵架吗？对我来说，用走掉那个人愿意。当时呢，我阿嬷走的时候呢，因为我人在美国嘛，所以我回来的时候，其实已经1个多礼拜、2个礼拜。
这样很多人呢。
当时我进去的时候，就是他们其实是在讨论要火葬还是土葬。那因为不巧，我就听到我2个叔叔之间的一段很私密的对话。是我听到了我阿嬷听到，我阿嬷跟我说的，他们刚刚说的，我阿嬷是走掉的那个。
这个人在教。
可以跟我阿嬷沟通嘛？我就问我叔叔说，你刚刚
他在教人家怎么爬，你听啊。
他们就愣住，因为他们知道我是后来才走进去的。
他在教人家怎么爬。
然后呢，我叔叔要我问我阿嬷，他希望我做什么？
So engage the hold fully before moving on, okay? And same with feet. A lot of people just sort of slap their feet on. I want you to like engage the footholds just as meticulously as you would the handholds, okay? So that's the first drill. At the stopping points, I want you to look up and like find the next stopping point. And then figure out the easiest way to get there. Your stopping point should be obvious.
爸爸上面看，妈妈在下面确保。She's the one of the youngest rock climber.
Really good.
One of the youngest I ever seen. Those adults there, and we have a cute little rock climber here.
想不到他你在录影，在哭了，
哦，
你靠近一点吧，让他听不到。然后上面有一个大一点的孩子帮他。
哦，他爸爸下来救他了，
爸爸怎么走得这么顺呢？
好快哦！你看，
他没绳子。
你看他健步如飞在绳子上。
那我挑战你一下。
哦，我没办法，it's run down, run down the rock is incredible.
被 stuck 在那里，好可爱呀！妈妈还是很胖的。他爸爸空心在上面给他。这能爬的路是不是也是能爬吗？
对，他就这样下来，他就这样咻咻。
你能爬吗？这也是个山路啊。他身上的绳子对不对？他身上的绳子哈。
嗯哼，他妈妈在帮他确保啊。
可是他妈妈弄得好松。
对啊，太松了。
有时候是想说，万一他跌，他就把他拉起来。
对不对？Cheer， 好好笑。他们不知道他在哭了，因为他们听不到。
应该有下来了。
对啊，就下来在帮他cheer。
小孩子压力真的。他爸爸妈妈。
这些人为什么背这么多？是要去爬岩的吗？哦呀，哎 ，the rock climbers。对啊，你看，我想说为什么背那么多？哎，有人背着绳，有人背着绳子啊，对啊。不叫 rock climbing， 他们这种叫
就阶段
bouldering。
性不同啦，就没关系，只是觉得现在这样更有效率，也代表其实我觉得也更了解自己，就包括自己的状态要怎么调整，或者身
很
体
多的白白被他们弄
弄
很多粉在上面，好好笑。
了解。专辑里有一首歌，我觉得蛮。
太阳渐渐就出来了。它一个小小一个 camper 可以卖这么多饮料。
大家等，我叫一个avocado。
啊？
我叫一个avocado。
Madison。
你不是要叫
Thank you。
当然要叫
咖啡啊？
还有什么？卡片拿出来啊。
Isaac。
One of those for John.
Or Madison.
Or Matthew.
Yeah, it was our Madison. Yep.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi, can I have an avocado toast and a large Americano?
Plus you're leaving hot or ice?
Hot.
Black?
Do you have like oat milk? Yeah, I'll add a shot of that.
What's the name?
Tony, Tony.
Hey, this is my name.
付钱。
you guys had an avocado toast? I did. I wanted one. Yeah. Please. No problem. $13.75.
Like he won't have any interaction with the No, he's like, we'll have interaction. I know.
How can you sell so many stuff in such a small camper?
I know. It's actually very big in here. It's bigger than it looks.
So you guys not sleeping in there, right?
You could. I don't.
Camper usually people sleep in there.
Desperate, I could save some money.
Okay.
Well, maybe they're waiting.
Okay, just edit. Just I don't know how to. $1.
Okay.
So,
There you go. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
see, the major ingredients is basil, acai. What is that?
一种植物啊，
啊
阿凯是
泰国人哦啦。
granola banana， 哦，好贵哦，真的很贵。
10块啊，最贵15块，15块比较多种。
这个什么 berries、chia seeds、almond butter， 哦哇，好像我吃的哦。
对啊，
What can I start for you guys?
Just looking at the menu.
Can I help you guys? Yeah, can I get a berry bowl? 2?
哦，那 berry bowl 是14块钱的。
然后 berries， 这个有 banana， 哦，这有 banana。
鲜巴松是什么东西啊？鲜巴松阿凯。
$28.
Which one?
Thank you.
你看后面一大堆人排队要来买了。
那上面白白是不是就是阿凯？
我不知道，你问他。
Thank you guys.
鲜巴松是什么东西？
这是个地名吧？叫一个 warrior bowl 吗？
嗯，
叫一个 warrior bowl，因为里面有香蕉啊。
你要吗？OK， 好。Can we have a warrior bowl?
Which one?
Warrior bowl?
Warrior bowl? You got it.
What is Sambazon Akai? What is that?
Sambazon is the brand.
Oh.
So Sambazon acai, we get it from Brazil. That's where it comes.
Oh, okay.
You want almond butter, okay?
Please.
So yeah, it comes from Brazil.
Oh.
And that's the brand. It's you know, there's a lot of acais out there, but this one is one of the best ones, if not the best. There you go, $15. You can tap or insert. You have to tap or insert first. Yep, there you go.
Okay. Okay. Oh, here.
There you go. Thank you. Enjoy.
爱吃的很冰，
干嘛后面的人都在
就是
排队了
阿萨伊，对。
啊？可是 Berry Bowl 看起来比较漂亮，后面的人都在Berry Bowl，Berry Bowl 便宜1块钱。
那上面有那个 almond butter。
哇，那这样我去那个就不用吃，去那个我就不用吃了。Apple，
哦，所以今天是
你看
latino 的哎。这是15块钱塞小子。
You can fill our bag for $15。
袋子在哪里？拿来啊！
给他讲吗？给他要啊。哦，在这里啊，这。
Fill the bag for 15, get the second bag for 5.
OK， 那2个袋子20块。
先拿一个就好了啦。
Organic, right?
We're pesticide free.
Oh, that's cool.
They're so wonderful. It's like I go to the grocery store and get.
我刚刚那杯就在那边买的啊，那道已经逛过了。
I don't know what they're doing.
They do a good job.
Feel free to touch and feel. You can set your stuff down.
Except that we don't have hands to do that.
We're Colorado based. I have those on right now if you want to see them on.
Oh.
They're our most popular joggers. They're so comfy. And we have a lot more sizing than what you see here, so let me know if there's something I can grab for you.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Every week. Yep, we're here every Saturday.
Oh, okay. What time does it start?
It's from 8 to, the market's from 8 to 1. Yeah. I
She
know, it's
didn't know.
It's kind of
She
early
didn't know, I
for
said.
a market.
I said because it's every Saturday we go deep in the mountain.
Oh, nice.
We come here only like winter time, so cold in the mountain,
Yeah.
and then today like for not that hard, maybe it will be raining in the mountain. That's why we just hike here,
Yes.
get in now, and then just 2 hours. So
Yeah.
she's just like, oh, I said this is every week
Yes, yeah.
because we every Saturday we get
really
deep
nice.
in the
There's some
mountain.
really nice vendors
We
here,
usually
too.
go to Estes Park, Netherlands, or like Silverthorne. We don't
Yes.
go this.
Yeah,
So
range
in
here
the
a little bit,
future,
but it's
summertime, if the weather is nice, good, we just come here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
That's
so
why I don't have a
you can wear
backpack.
it
Otherwise,
open, or you can
I would
tie
have a
it in the
backpack.
back. It's really pretty. I can show it on. Sometimes it's hard to picture it. So, what do we have in the blue? We're pretty limited in the blue color right now. We have more coming.
我来报了。
She's like, here.
It's also very awkward that I feel like my arm is going to be.
Oh no. Yeah, we have a lot more sizes in the peach. Let me show you what it looks like in the back.
So we have extra small is all we have left in the blue.
Oh,
Oh,
she
they
could
do
probably
have
be
Yeah,
size
she'd be an
small.
extra small for sure in
Do we
that.
have it?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
What color?
In the blue we have.
We also have it in the peach.
Yes, we have it in the peach too. Yes.
I need to wear extra small.
I think extra small in that would fit. Yes. Or a small, whatever.
Really cute.
That's it. The front, you have it?
Yeah.
Okay, my mom says.
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't have a hand to pay.
Well, I'll just grab it.
Oh, wow. I have a picture of it in white in the front here. So it has good coverage in the front. So yeah, in the small we have white, black, like purple. Yeah, it's like a mauve. It's really pretty. Do you want the peach in a small? Okay. Take your time. Yeah, we'll keep shopping and see what else you see, and then we can decide.
对啊，你不是要买那种上衣，这种运动型的上衣吗？
So that's more of a
对啊，买那种运动型上衣啊
quarter。tank. You can tie it in the front, or you can tie it in the back. So you can dress like I wear it like this for like dinner out with a just like a little light jacket over the top, or when I work out, I tie it in the back.
Wow, so versatile.
Yeah.
这也好漂亮。你觉得这
你
个
不是缺个运动型上衣吗？对啊，因为有时候天气很热啊，你可以穿啊。
都好漂亮。You do take for
Yeah, absolutely. And we do free shipping and free return, so if it doesn't fit, we can always exchange it for you. So they're all a tad different. Let me see. Teresa knows them by heart. I do not. So material 80-20.
Yeah.
Nylon and
Spandex.
spandex.
可以买，那够长啊，
Yeah, she
Yes.
washes and
I
dries
wash it and dry
everything.
everything.
那够长，那够长可以盖住你的肚脐的啦。嗯，你比一下，那可以到你的肚脐啊，不会是中空的啊。
哦，
对啊，可以买啊，因为你钱不是说你在这里啊，
我也蛮喜欢那件。
那你就挑一件，不要2件都买
对，。不要2件多，反正他每个礼拜
你就是要弄露肩的才会凉快啊。有时候那个山下一下来以后，你就可以把外衣脱掉，就穿那样子啊，在马路上走，那老美就这样啊。
I know, it's hard to choose. They're a good price point.
$40.
Yeah.